Many different parts on your vehicle actually have ways of letting you know that they're going to fail before they actually fail, and that's the case with the water pump. Now we've got the front of this engine all taken apart, and you can see this is the water pump here. It's held on by the bolts, and there's a hole right here. This hole is on the dry side of the seals. The seals are further in here. So what will happen is as the seals go bad, which is generally pretty much all that can go bad in a water pump, the seals go bad first. Then if you let it go long enough, the bearing surfaces will start going bad, and then you can have a total failure. But the seals will start going bad, and then water from the engine will start leaking past the seals, and it'll come out through the hole, and it'll either kind of spray out and you'll start seeing water spraying around your engine when it's running, or it'll drip down and you'll get a small drip of water underneath the front of the engine. So these little holes here have a purpose, and that's the purpose, to let you know that the water pump is starting to fail before it really fails.
Thanks for watching. If you want the parts to do it yourself, check out oneaauto.com, the place for DIY auto repair.